Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be resetting the service light on a 2023 BMW 7 Series G70. This will also apply to certain G series that have this gear on the steering wheel. To start, press the start-stop button 3 times to enter pad mode. Let the vehicle go through all the prompts showing what services are due and confirmation that diagnostic mode has been enabled. Press and hold the gear button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, you will release the gear button. Re-engage for 3 additional seconds. Release. And re-engage another 3 seconds to complete the reset. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.